crazies, but at plus tax, the real Sunday, May outside. Whoop whoop! Look at the beautiful weather. Finally. Yes, my love, that I going in the UK at, you know, see me at plus tax, me not broke like the tea, no pay tax, way. Shopping, a little bit of shopping, a little bit of ups and downs. I want that, oh, my jacket. Yeah, me have a back off jacket, my love. Ready there at, I come out in a jacket, I have a back off that. At the Queenie. Ooh. Look at it. What's it? This is the jacket from November. So girl look sexy. Like I didn't know when the sun come out. Different thing.
So when them do, them go around, everybody when them see you with them start to bring them start to tell the people them boy, you start to set your side, tell the people them where you step about them, start to take away. So when you and them now have a problem, you know what them do? Them go to those flying monkey and enable. So those people them know. Those people them know start to say, when me and your cuss now do it, load the man, because you're wicked and rare, because you already make your wheel. For the people, you already gather your flock already, you know. So when time it start, yes, you're a great manipulator, yeah. So them already manipulate everybody to where they want them to it.
Real talk.
So when the war start now, what happen now, they're looking for the people and that them already manipulate. So the people are going to come for them and everybody going to dump on you.
Yeah, that's true.
And then they're going to say me are the victim in it, you know. Then they're going to fall to a victim situation now, like, look how they must deal with the poor man, or look how they must deal with the man. Them time there. Them are the problem. So there's a lot of people out here, 99% of them out here are narcissists. And this is what they do. So you see them go, look on them behavior. Look on it, they will just stand up in front of you and I say, do it when you do this to me and you tell me this when you will say,
no, go show this too.
Them turn it.
I got them do me a lot of time pushing on us. I mean, eat now like that, but not take no talk no more this year. Sorry.
Then we come and see everybody.
Yes.
I live good, and then we just come and just turn it into. They just start to make. Come and start say Kim.
Say and Kim.
You want
say and Kim.
So say this and then do it and then because they're jealous, you know. They want.
Yeah, I'm just to tell you, jealousy is a part type. You see me? Yeah, man, you're right now. They are. Yeah,
so then you have to be careful of these people. Well, you can't look on them and know them in a do it. We have to go to the sign.
Yep. You have to look out the sign them because sign
make you ignorant, yes. I make you ignorant, yeah. So we have to just look out for the signs for the narcissist. The sign of the because if you don't come, remember, nobody loving like them, nobody beautiful like them, nobody when they want with you overdo it, they all put on them back. I make you walk on them back.
Yeah, man. You yeah, man. I mean, I tell you, them people, narcissists, are one of the most. Them forgot to investigate.
Them is next to the theater.
Yeah, man.
Them is next to the theater. Them not fear God. Them not believe. Them not love nobody. Them not love them. They cannot love. They believe in a relationship with a narcissist person. And them love you. They cannot love nobody at all. They only love their needs and them ego.
And the post, you ask that question, right?
Yeah.
And maybe you have the right answer for it because I don't understand it, right? When you have a good friend, right?
Hello, yeah.
And your good friend messed up, begs for whatever situation is, right? But you know, say your friend you charge you and you call your friend and you tell your friend your fee, but you just take yourself away from the person and but the person, when you and she used to talk, she just have grown and take call everybody and tell them, you know, Kim said that, but she forgets say, me and she sit down and talk to the people there, what you call that? But I'm trying to understand it, you know. I can't get it, you know.
Okay, they confused more.
I'm trying to understand it because
you have a lot of people, even as friends too. You have a lot of
Yeah.
A lot of people where are friend enemy, you know, Kim. I have a lot of people as well where are still they are still narcissists, them still bipolar, them still envy. You see the something named envy, Kim? Envy. Now because you and them are friend me, they want the best here because them are ride with you and I sing.
Them want to see you go down. And you know, post me need to point out this where some people need to understand. You see in a life you might have an enemy and enemy live much miles from you. You think them can't pay nothing?
No,
and the
it's a
people them where you wake up with a morning bomb up
so you have to
time we are
understand that say
we are
only a friend know your secret and only him can reveal it. So in the day, watch carefully. Let me tell you what you have to watch with people. Watch how people deal with you and
body language. The body language. It tell you holy. You can't enter somebody. You can't enter somebody's face and just them
I like to tell you, people talk about them love we and we love you and them quick.
Yeah. And them, you can't see them. If you tell you jump off at this and come out at this and
action.
So alright, so this person
love one.
And I question me. I say that the person call and tell you so, but the person don't call and tell you what them said to me. So what you think I should do? Should I walk away or should I just bust it up on him like I go?
Mama, I can't tell you the mistake. What you have to do, Mama, Kim, in a real life, they never bother pay them no mind.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, we have cost for and wait them have a cost for, it don't make no sense. You understand me? I say when the same time we could have take we are cost, you could have take it and invest it in something different and you get a different result. You understand? A result where make you feel comfortable in yourself to say, you know, say, but do something today and, you know, me feel nice in myself than you see them explains. You don't need to explain nothing to nobody.
Right. But you know what?
If I want you to say, yeah, chat them. If I want you to say, yeah, chat them. If them say where they want to say, Mama, you just not have nothing to say to them.
Right. I agree with Dewey, but guess what again, Dewey? My disagree is Kim. As Dewey say, you can walk away because any friend will turn into an enemy is an enemy long time.
From long time.
So no friend, a real friend, can't just, as me and you have a little dispute, somebody run, come bring you down. Unless me and your enemy, I hate you a long time. So I would advise you, if you know say it was a good friend, you can hold on. You can walk away, but it's how long we can walk away for. Let me tell you, Kim, as Dewey said, walk away, but remember, when somebody keep
when them keep poking you,
no, we are human, because but me advise you at this moment, if you are a good friend to that person, just walk away and just say no, walk away.
Yeah.
Because that's the best thing and the good thing a good friend would have done. Walk away, not care what, walk away. But any friend will run, as them and them have an argument and run to bring them down, wasn't a friend, it was an enemy.
Wasn't a friend from a long time.
Alright. Not me, I would
the walk away.
Not me, I try to walk away. What else you know?
No, with that, I'm not saying King said, you're not going to poke it, but there's so much. You make the first step by walking away. And if you take your 5 times, you walk away 5 times. But again, as we said, we are human beings one at a time, we're going to have to respond.
Exactly, that's sure.
But at least you make it clear and tell her, go on where you go, walk away, make it just walk away. But at this moment, walk away.
Walk away, yeah. But they see them and push it now, you know what time it is. They see them.
Man, everybody when you see call your friend mean friend, my friend for kill you, you know. Because them know say them stay far from you. They can't do nothing. So them nothing. Like me see one woman left got Auntie Dana what and Auntie Dana do the right thing, don't put her in her house. Yeah. Because Auntie Dana can't put her in her house and then everything for Auntie Dana start go bad. Because
energy man.
Satan knows if you miss a part. You must send people among you when you eat and sleep and drink with. And them can attack you.
Right, true word, mom. True, yeah.
When I don't know about nobody, and at 90% time I say all these people, sometimes there's some
Jordan, big up yourself. Yeah, Auntie,
push to this, push to that, push to that, push to this, push to that. And me just laugh off of them because like me tell you say, the parents said this scheme. Anything or anybody that come up against me, before you come up, me soon before you come, because I'm soon in my vision. Me can't come out here and say, Kim had turned against me. Kim had got no me to suffer.
Yeah.
And it happened to him.